Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create classic email templates in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup menu. From here, we need to go to Setup and click on Setup. After that, we need just to search for the templates. So we type email templates in the quick find action, and from here, we will find the Lightning email templates and the classic email templates. So we need just to click on this one. And after that, we will find the choice of having a new templates. And simply you need just to click on new templates. And from here, you can use whatever you like. So either you can start creating templates using the text or HTML or just with Visual Force. So let's suppose that you want to create templates using an HTML, you need just to click on next, and after that you will need just to go to the letterhead so you can start creating your header, etc. So now we can go there so we can activate it. We go for next, and then you can start creating your letterhead, etc. And after that you will be able to start creating a template using HTML. So here we can just go click in next using the text, and basically now it's generating the templates where we can start adding our variables, etc. So here you can add the fields that you want to include, and those are just the field, and this is the field type. And of course you can start adding this into some kind of folder, and you give it a name, and this is a unique name like an ID, and of course the subject in here where you can use the body hello, and you can start using some kind of uh, variables and whatever you like here, and you give it the subject and some description that you like, and then you will need just to click on save, and you will have your templates that has been created. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.